The Marvels is a 2023 American superhero film based on Marvel Comics. Produced by Marvel Studios and distributed by Walt Disney Studios Motion Pictures. It is the sequel to the film Captain Marvel 2019, a continuation of the television miniseries Ms. Marvel 2022, and the 33rd film in the Marvel Cinematic Universe (MCU). The film was directed by Nia Da Costa, who co-wrote the screenplay with Megan McDonnell and Elisa Karasik. It stars Brie Larson as Carol Danvers Captain Marvel, Tana Paris as Monica Rambeau, and Iman Vellani as Kamala Khan. Marvel, alongside Zav Aston, Gary Lewis, Park Seo-joon, Zenobia Shroff, Mohan Kapur, Sagar Sheikh, and Samuel L. Jackson. In the film, Danvers, Rambeau, and Khan team up as the Marvels after they begin swapping places with each other every time they use their powers. Carol Danvers destroys the Supreme Intelligence, the artificial intelligence that leads the Kree Empire. This leads to a civil war and the desolation of the Kree home world, Hala, over the next 30 years. The conflict renders the planet barren as it loses its air, water, and sunlight. Dar-Ben, the new leader of the Kree, discovers one of the two legendary quantum bands. She harnesses the power of the band to tear open a jump point, a gateway that allows fast travel across space. The resulting anomaly impacts the entire jump point network, including a jump point near Earth's ABR space station that is run by Nick Fury. Captain Monica Rambeau investigates the jump point near us, ABR, while Danvers investigates the new jump point that Dar-Ben opened. When they touch their respective jump points, Rambeau is transported to Danvers' location. Kamala Khan has the other quantum band on Earth is transported to Rambeau's location, and Danvers is transported to Kamala's house. The three use their different light-based powers to fight off Kree enemies, leaving the Khan family home destroyed. After the three women return to their original places, Fury and Rambeau visit Kamala on Earth. Rambeau surmises that their light-based powers are linked through quantum entanglement, and that they switch places when any of the three use their powers simultaneously. The three join up at a Skrull refugee colony on the planet Tarnax, which Danvers helped found and where a peace treaty is being negotiated with the Kree. When talks break down, Dar-Ben rips open another jump point which siphons the atmosphere from Tarnax to restore breathable air to Hala. After a hasty effort to evacuate the colony, Danvers, Rambeau, and Kamala form a team that Kamala names the Marvels. Danvers explains that the quantum bands were used to create the jump point transportation network, and Dar-Ben is combining her quantum band with the Kree's universal weapon. Dar-Ben's repeated rupturing of jump points is causing instability to the network and endangering the entire universe. They deduce that Dar-Ben is targeting planets that are meaningful to Danvers, who Dar-Ben blames for the desolation of Hala. The Marvels reach the water planet Aladna before Dar-Ben does and prepare the local population for an attack. Dar-Ben arrives and tears open a jump point to draw the planet's water to Hala. She almost steals Kamala's quantum band, forcing Kamala to flee with Danvers and Rambeau. Dar-Ben's final plan is to use the energy from Earth's sun to restore that of Hala. The Marvels fight and subdue Dar-Ben, but she steals Kamala's band and uses both bangles to tear open another hole in space. The act destroys Dar-Ben, ends the Marvels' entanglement, and leaves behind a rupture between realities. After Kamala reclaims the bands, she and Danvers use their combined powers to energize Rambeau, allowing her to close the hole from the other side, stranding her in the process. Kamala returns to Earth and Danvers flies into Hala's sun, using her power to restore it. The short-lived team-up inspires Kamala to seek out other young heroes and form a new group, starting with Kate Bishop. In a mid-credits scene, Rambeau awakes in a parallel universe, where she is greeted by binary an alternate version of her mother Marion the mutant scientist Hank McCoy Beast.